Exercise 2E, question number 6C. Using the elimination method, solve these two simultaneous equations. So first of all, let's change this equation into its regular form. It's 5x minus 3y is equals to, this 2 will go on the other side and become plus 2, and this is x plus 5y, this will go on the other side of this equals to and become 6. Let's call this equation A, and this is equation B. Now as we can see, suppose if we are taking x variable, okay, so we can see here that the coefficient of x is 1 in equation B, and the coefficient of x is 5 in equation A. And we all know that for elimination method, the coefficients of our selected variable has to be same, but here we can see that all the coefficients are different, whether in y and whether in x. But there is one thing that is notable, and what is that? That there is a relationship between 5x and 1x. Yeah, and what is the relation? Is that 5 is multiple of 1. Yeah, so when such kind of relationships are present in two simultaneous equations, what we have to do? As we know that 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, so we will simply divide 5 divided by 1 is 5, and we will multiply the equation with 5. Okay, so I hope you've got this. And now, so in such case we have to deal with only one equation. Okay, now we are so what we have to do, we have to multiply the equation that has the divisor with our quotient. Okay, now hope you have got this. Now let's jump to the solution. Now as I've already told you that to get same coefficient with our selected variable, we have to multiply equation B with 5. Why 5? Because 5 divided by 1 is 5, right? So I am going to write the steps over here. Number 1 is step number 1, multiply equation B with 5. We get 5x plus 25y is equals to 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. And now we have equation A, we already have, so we can see the equation A implies that 5x minus 3y is equals to 2. Now as we know that the sign with 5x is plus, and this is equation C after multiplication. Okay, so in equation C the sign with the 5x is plus, and also the sign with the 5x on equation A is also plus, and we have to eliminate this x variable. How will we eliminate? Simple. Subtract c and a. So for subtraction, we know that the sign will change. This plus will become minus, the minus will become plus, and this will be minus 2. So 5x cancel, plus minus 5x cancel. Now plus 25 plus 3, that would be adding, that is 28y, and 30 minus 2 is equals to 28. So the value of y is 1. Okay, now I'm going to put this y is equals to 1 in equation A. So now let's put this value. Put y is equals to 1 in A, and once we will substitute this value of y in our equation, we will substitute this value of y in our equation A, we will get the value of x. Okay, so it's 5x minus 3. Instead of y, I am going to put 1 is equals to 2. It's 5x minus 3 is equals to 2, which means 5x. Now this minus will go on the other side and become plus. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and hence 5 ones are 5, x is equals to 1. And now we have got the value of y and x.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates.